Welcome back. In this video, we'll look at our updated competition sets. A competition set has a teacup with a lid, and it has a bowl. In tea competitions in Taiwan, these are very popular. They're used similar to a coffee cupping set, like a lot of the wine competitions and the coffee competitions in the West. In Taiwan, farmers would bring their tea to a competition where the judges would brew all the teas the same way. The tea leaves are steeped for 5 or 6 minutes and then decant into a bowl. When judging, they would take a spoon, scoop up some of the brewed tea, and then taste it. But of course, the spoon's usually a ceramic spoon as well. But this set to me is very versatile. I like using this set when I'm in a hurry or on a daily basis, and even for my travels, because it's so convenient to have it in a box like this. Our box is pretty sturdy, so these sets will fit directly in here. And this is what I would bring along my travels, because this is so versatile and so convenient that it's similar to a gaiwan. You would brew in here and then decant. So let me demonstrate on how I would use it at home. I would take some of the tea leaves and put it in the dish. And if you really want to check the quality of the tea and be your own judge at home, what you can do is take a small amount that you plan to brew and then put it to your nose to test for the aroma. If it's a natural tea, it really shouldn't smell like much. The tea leaves wouldn't release its aroma until it hits heat or water. So what we're going to do is add hot water into the cup. This will warm up this teacup to prep it for brewing the tea. Because usually teaware is fairly cold. So when you put hot water in, this would get it to the temperature you want. And then we'll pour it into the bowl to warm up the bowl. Now I can put the tea leaves in here. And when the tea leaves are placed into the cup, we can test the aroma of the leaves now. Then I'll take this hot water in the bowl and return it to the teacup. So if you're using hot water that is slightly too hot to put to your mouth to drink, this process of pouring the water back and forth would really cool the water down to a temperature where it's a lot more palatable. So once the tea leaves have steeped enough, then what you want to do is pick this up by lining the lid hole with the spout here, and we'll set it into the cup. So it's a very quick process, and you have your teacup. And I would drink directly from here. And what's really nice is this is the exact amount you would drink within 2 or 3 minutes. If you want a bigger cup of tea, you could always add hot water in again so you don't waste your leaves. Usually with premium teas, we can repeat this process a few times, and that's what's so awesome and convenient about the competition set. If you want to see more of our different teawares, please visit our website redblossomtea.com, and of course follow us on our YouTube channel.